everybody, today I'm pleased to present you this beautiful black Iorio Philharmonica double tone chamber ultra lightweight piano accordion in very good condition with minor signs of wear. On the treble side we have 41 keys from F to A, full-size keyboard, 2 register switches, and 2 sets of reeds, low and middle. The switches are toggle so you can turn the voices on and off. On the bass side, we have 120 bass buttons, 2 register switches, and 4 sets of reeds. Each switch you can push twice to change the sound. And now I'm going to play you some pieces to demonstrate the sound.